Hello, today's topic is walls in Revit. Firstly, when adding walls, we should pay attention to the wall instant properties, which are base and top constraint and height. For example, we go architecture, wall architecture. From the type selector, I would choose basic wall, for example, and my base constraint to be level 1, which I can change it, and top constraint I choose to be level 2. I will start modeling, click, escape, go to the 3D. Now this wall, its base constraint is level 1 and top constraint is level 2. And to create a wall with a specific height, we choose, for example, base constraint to be level 2, for example, instead of level 1. And here in top constraint, we need to be unconnected, so we are able to type in the required offset or height. Notice that we are not able to see the wall while we are creating it. This is because we are in level 1. If we go to level 2, we are able to see it. So this is the wall from level 1 to level 2, and this is the wall starting from level 2 as a base constraint and with height of 2 meters. Also, we need to look at location line. So go architecture, wall, architecture. In the properties, we have location line. There are many options here. For example, if I choose wall center line, start modeling my wall, this is the scenario of wall center line. Another example, Control Z. If we choose to model our wall in different scenario, which is, for example, finish face exterior, this is how it looks with finish face exterior. Secondly, it is highly recommended for the best practice to duplicate the wall type, because we most probably are going to change its original settings. This is a basic wall generic 12-inch. To duplicate, edit type, duplicate, change to a name that we can recognize, example 40 centimeter, okay, and then edit. We can insert any layer we want and change their position by going up or down. We can delete. Now we can safely change the thickness, for example, to be exactly 0.3, and the function of this layer to be finish and its thickness to be 0.1 meter. I can preview the section and the plan view from here. This is the plan view and this is the section. Okay. Now we have our own custom wall without changing Revit original settings. Its name is example 40 centimeter. Thirdly, when editing the wall profile, we need to go to a section view or an elevation view. I will go to the south elevation, for example. Double click. I am in the modify edit profile mode. For example, if I create an arch and a small void in my wall, we need very much to finish edit mode by clicking the green check box. From the 3D, this is our wall after editing its profile. A hint: when walls intersect, a butt joint is created, and to clean up them, Select on wall A, for example, go Modify tab, Join, select wall B and then wall A. Now wall B got joined with wall A and without any butt joint. Moving to the compound walls, they consist of more than one vertical layers. To create a compound wall, we go Architecture tab, Wall Architecture. From the type selector, there are many types of compound wall. For example, I would choose exterior brick on CMU. To see all the layers of the compound wall, we go to Level of Detail, Find. By the way, we can change the exterior layers to become interior layers and vice versa. Another kind of walls is the stacked wall. Actually, it is a wall made up of two different wall types, stacked vertically on top of each other. For example, we go Architecture, Wall, Architectural. From the type selector, we need to look for our stacked wall, which is the last one here. Start modeling. We take a section here. This is our stacked wall. Go to Level of Detail, Find. For example, if we like to extend the wall till level 3, we go to the top constraint, make it level 3. But if we need to create another stacked wall starting from level 2 to level 3, we Control Z and then go to level 2. Finally, wall sweep, wall reveal. So what is wall sweep? It is a tool to add a decorative horizontal or vertical projection to a wall. For example, we go to wall, wall sweep. It is recommended to be on a 3D view or an elevation view. Whereas reveal is a tool to add a decorative horizontal or vertical cutout to a wall. Architectural, wall, reveal. By the way, there are many other profiles that we can choose from. So we go to Architecture, Wall, Wall Sweep for example, Edit Type, and Duplicate. Name it Example 5. OK. Here in Profile, we notice many profiles that we can use. Also, we can create our own profile, but we get to know this later on. For now, I will use that type. Okay. I will choose the vertical here. This is my vertical sweep, for example.